four sounds of letter A.
Don't be confused why letter A is pronounced differently in the words ant, ape, owl, and arm. Letter A has four sounds. Your animal friends will help you learn the four sounds. Four sounds of letter A. A in alligator. A, a, a. Like in the word ant. A in ape. A, ape. Like in the word cake. O in hawk. O, like in the word ball. A in armadillo. A, like in the word farm. Say the sound of each animal friend. A, O, A, O, A, A, O, A. Very good! Now it's your turn. Say the sound of each animal friend. Good job! Those are the four sounds of letter A. Now let's have practice reading. Alligator, at, cat, jam, mad, pan. Ape sound, ate, bathe, cane, fate, gate. Hawk sound, all, call, haul, jaw, law. Armadillo sound, arm, arc, car, dart, yarn. Very good! Now it's your turn. Let's practice reading. This time, we need to read going sideward. At, ate, all, arm, cat, bathe, call, arc, jam, cane, hall, car, mad, faith, jaw, dart, pan, gate, law, yarn. Then you do it alone.
Let's do the sound rules. And let's keep practicing. Letter A in alligator.
A in alligator. Alligator reads a, a. Alligator reads a, a. Now it's your turn. Do it 2 times. Sound rules. When the letter A is all alone in a word and not followed by the letters R, L, W, or U, it usually makes the alligator sound. General rule: if a word has one vowel only, it usually makes the short sound like the beginning sound of alligator. Let's have the practice reading. Alligator reads a, a. At, ant, axe, cat, dad, ham, jam, lamp, mad. Now it's your turn. Practice reading.
Letter A in ape.
A in ape. Ape reads A, A. Ape reads A, A. Now it's your turn. Repeat it 2 times. Sound rules. Usually the vowel A in a word is in the long A, ape sound. If the word ends with letter E becomes silent. Ape reads A. Let's go practice reading. 8, Bade, Cane, Fate, Gate, Hate, Made, Mate, Tape, This time you do it alone. It's your turn.
Letter A in hawk.
A sounds O in hawk. Hawk reads O. Hawk reads O. Now it's your turn. Repeat it 2 times. Sound rules. One of the strange sounds of the letter A is in the hawk sound. It sounds more like the letter O than the letter A. Usually the letter O sounds like a hawk when it is followed by the letters L, W, and U. Hawk reads O. Let's have practice reading. O with L. All. Ball. Call. O with W. Jaw. Law. Saw. O with U. Hall. Fault. Paul. Now it's your turn.
Letter A in armadillo.
A. In armadillo. Armadillo reads A, A, A. Armadillo reads A, A, A. Now it's your turn. Repeat it 2 times. Sound rules. Usually, when the letter A is followed by R and consonant, the sound is like an armadillo. But if it's followed by R and vowel, it can sound like an alligator. Armadillo reads A, A, A. Let's do the practice reading. Arm, arm. Arc, arc. Art, art. Car, car. Dart, dart. Farm, farm. Hark, hark. Part, part. Yarn, yarn. Now it's your turn.